Oh, this is not the best look. Everything is functional. Wi-Fi is good. Modem is working. I can see the lights from all the switches, including this one. But it's not organized, and right now I can't close it. I can't even put the cover on it. I can, but it's going to sit on top and it's going to look bad. Sometimes we use this room for multi-purpose as an office and other things, maybe a guest room sometimes, but this needs to be closed, and I can manage it from one of the computers because of the way I have it set up. It has to be wired. So this project will include mounting everything on here properly. But these holes don't match up with every device that I chose to get. And even this one was bigger than the one I was planning to get. But it was on sale. It was on clearance. It was like $32 instead of the 100 and something I was planning to get. And so far, it's been working without a problem. So I see no real reason to change it. These, I'm going to have to probably get some more 90-degree angles here, just so it'll be easy to close these. But other than that, I'm going to use plexiglass as a base here so I can mount everything and it'll fit a lot better. I might end up removing these brackets, or at least one of them, and then we should be good. But before I even do any of that, I still need to make sure that this has the mount that I need. So I have to measure this out on every device.